Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Your girl is back with a video. This time I'm just going to be showing you guys how I style my mini frontal wig. As you can see, the wig is washed. I literally added jet black, added some layers. So I'm literally just going to show you guys how I add, some light curls to my wig. Literally, as you can see, I'm curling the hair away from my face on each side. And I literally just repeat this process all over the wig. And guys, for my side fringe, I literally just curl away from my forehead. And the reason why I pin my curls, guys, because it just has a longer hold. But towards the back of my wig, I don't do that. I literally just curl it and just let it fall, basically. But on a normal day, if I'm going out and I want my curls to last longer, I will pin up my whole wig because it just looks nicer and the curls are tighter. But yeah, for tutorial purposes, I'm literally just pinning the front.
On the beat.
So now guys, I'm just going to cut my band off. Usually I use this band just to like lay my closure down, just so it has like a natural look, if you know what I mean, like a scalp effect, shall I say. And now I'm just gonna get my Got To Be spray and spray it at the front. This basically gives it a bit of a hold, so like my side fringe sort of has that lift right at the front where you can see where I've clipped it. So I'm literally just gonna hold that in place for a few minutes, and I'm gonna get my blow dry and just dry that until it becomes like hard. Now I know it's dry.
That's cool on the beat. That's cool on the beat.
I'm just going to take my curler wand again and just recurl the front because I feel like the curls didn't really sit well. I feel like it just had a really like drop to it. So I'm just going to curl it again. And now we're pretty much done, guys. All I'm doing now is just taking my brush just to brush out the curls, because we want a nice sleek finish. We want that sort of wavy look. Can you see that? Can you see those curls? This hair is actually 3 bundles of 18 inches body wave and an 18-inch 7x7 closure. Can you just see the way it's flowing, the way it's moving? You know when your hair just moves with you? This hair is from my hair collection, Yours Truly Hair. It's all in the description below if you like to purchase. So now moving on to the next style. I actually did my middle part off camera, but literally all you want to use is just a rat tail comb and just part your wig in the middle. And as you can see, I'm literally just taking 2 strands of hair from the front of my wig, and I'm just like combing that out at the front, and I'm just tying the hair into 2 bunches. And now to finish off the look, I'm literally just gonna wrap my hair around the hairband just to, you know, create the bantu knot, shall I say. And that's basically it. I'm just gonna take my curler wand just to flatten out the wig a bit, and I'm just gonna take some hair wax and just like, you know, keep the hair nice and slick. And that's basically it, guys. This is the final look, and obviously I'm just gonna curl some loose strands there. But yeah, this is the final look, guys. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment as to what you'd like to see next, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, guys. Love you. Bye.